Hey guys, this is Debbie from RefreshRestyle.com, and today I'm sharing an easy project on how to refresh a thrift store find. I found this wooden tray at Goodwill, and if I remember correctly, it was about $4.99. And I used some white spray paint, painted it, then I put some random gray stripes on it. After it dried, I sanded it because everybody knows I like a little distressing. Then I brushed off all that sanded area and sprayed it with a clear polyacrylic. And to add a little fun and interest for the summer, I used Chalk Couture's Lemonade transfer. And here I am showing you how I did that. I used the color Chalkology paste in black, in canary, and also tie teal. And I've done this many times, and it is so quick and easy. I love it. Once the Chalkology paste dried, I sprayed another coat of the clear poly on it, and then I was ready to use it. It is so cute. I love it. This transfer comes with so many options. I only used a few of them, like the fresh squeezed and the word lemonade. And then I used the mason jar and the lemon slices and one whole lemon. Anyway, there's a lot of different options, and I didn't want to put all of them on this one tray, but they sure did turn out cute. I hope you like it. Does this cute idea make you want to run to Goodwill or your local thrift store and find a wooden tray? I hope so. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. I am really enjoying my tray. Thanks for watching.